Oil palm has a lot of spine-like structure on the midrib of the leaves. It makes working difficult for the farmer. Cutting off the leaves to enable harvest of the ripened bunches is a routine work on the farm. Again, the height of the palm poses difficulty and consumes lots of labor. Still, oil palm harvester makes this work easy ever before. Sickle moving to and fro cuts off the leaf and bunches within few seconds without exerting strain on the operator. Low weight and hence it is easy to handle. Elastro-start starter grip and additional fuel pump for easy starting. Anti-vibration system for greater operator comfort and safety. Multifunctional handle. All engine control functions are at your fingertips. PC70 model has a fixed working length of 7 feet with which the operator can reach up to 10 feet height. PC75 model with telescopic shaft offers a variable working length of between 8 feet and 12 feet. Overall reach is up to 18 feet. Another attachment, chisel, is quite helpful for working on short palms.